When you go to unthread your machine, make sure you lift up your presser foot and snip your thread up here at the top. That's important because when you pull your thread out, you want to have it going down towards the needle. In case there's any lint, you don't want to have lint coming back up inside your machine. Now to wind your bobbin, start out by putting your spool on the spindle like this so that the thread is coming to the left from the back. Put it over the top of the thread tree, under this little guide here, and then under this tension disc right here. Make sure that you have it all the way under there because it's spring-loaded and it will help wind your bobbin smoothly. Take your bobbin, there's a little hole on the side, go from inside to outside, just like that, leaving the thread tail over the top. Put your bobbin firmly on the spindle, just like this. Then we push the bobbin winder stopper this way and we're ready to start. Notice I'm holding the thread tail up like this as I start. Give it a few layers and stop, and then cut off this thread tail. Then you can keep winding. We're going to wind a full bobbin. As you can see, when the bobbin gets full, the stopper is pushed back and it automatically stops. Then you lift off your bobbin, and here's a thread cutter right here. You can cut your thread easily. To put your bobbin in, push this lever this way, lift off the cover, and hold your bobbin so that the thread tail comes off the left and goes towards you. It's kind of like the letter P. So we put that down in there and then have your thread come under this little leaf here, stop the bobbin from spinning, and pull the thread around to the back. It's important to stop it from spinning so that the thread sinks down into the tension area. Then you can pull this around this way and cut that off. You do not need to pull up your bobbin thread in order to start sewing. So just go ahead and put that back on like that. To thread your needle, we've got the first 3 steps right here. Put your thread on the spindle, bring it up over the thread tree, and then under this little guide here. Next, we bring it under this thread guide here, and under number 4 here, number 5, come up this way. Notice I've got some uphill pressure on the thread. As I come around the take-up lever, it goes right into the little stopper that's in the take-up lever. We come down here to 7. Notice I'm using 2 hands to get behind that thread guide. 2 hands again to get behind this little thread guide right here that's on the needle bar. Make sure you pull it firmly to the left. Next, we get to thread the needle. Now, if your needle is part way down or all the way down, you'll need to push this needle up, needle down button to make sure that your needle is all the way up. Next, we put it into the needle threader, which is number 9 right here. Give it a little bit of a pull so it gets right into those jaws. Then we come behind the thread cutter right here, pull it like that, and that puts it just the right length. Lower your needle threader, give it a firm pull, and come right back up. It threads your needle. If you want to have your bobbin thread come up through the needle plate, say like for gathering, take your bobbin back out and rethread it. Put it back in, but this time let the bobbin thread tail come out right here and don't cut it off. Put the cover back on. Now we're going to pull up the bobbin thread by pushing the needle up, needle down twice, and that pulls up a loop of the bobbin thread. Here's my neat trick for pulling up that loop. Put your top thread under the foot between the toes there and just swipe the thread tail straight back and it picks up your bobbin thread. We have several other videos on this machine. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.